Children, today I am going to tell one story. Sharing is caring. Children, there are two brothers, Ankush and Ankur. Their parents are not there, children, they are passed away. And Ankush got married and he is asking with his wife, get me breakfast. And Ankur also same, he is also told the same thing, get me breakfast. So she prepared the breakfast and she is giving to Ankur and Ankush. At that time she said, why you are screaming breakfast, breakfast, breakfast? You can't even wait 1 minute. I have to cook and I have to bring it to you. Why you are in hurry? And that time he's looking at his wife only. He's looking at his wife only. See the breakfast. Ankur breakfast is different and Ankush breakfast is different. And he said at that time, yeah, you have to wait because I have to do all alone. All the work I have to do it alone. So what he is doing, he is tasting. In his plate he is tasting. But he is thinking this is not that much taste. And what he is doing, see, look at here. A small piece he is taking from Ankush plate. And he is also tasting that. At that time Ankush got angry. Why you want to touch my plate? Why you want to take the piece from my plate? You are having a breakfast. Why can't you eat from your plate only? Why you want to touch? I don't like this breakfast now. First of all, I don't like somebody is touching my plate. You know that very well. And why you want to touch? And he stood up. And he stood up and he is looking at him only. He said, why you are getting angry for the small thing? I am your brother. Just I tasted. Why you are getting angry? And he said, no need to taste and all. I don't like somebody is touching my plate. And you know that very well from the beginning. I don't like all those things. Whatever is mine, it is mine. And she said, why you are fighting both of you? Just for the small piece of chapati? Why you are fighting? It is not good. You always listen to your brother. And she is scolding her husband only. Why you want to touch his plate? Why you want to touch his plate? I had given you also. You have to eat yourself. And he said, no, I don't like this. I am not going to eat this. I am not going to eat this and I don't want also. And he's keep on telling, no, I don't want at all. If you want, you eat. If you want, you eat. I don't like this. And straight away he take his bag and went to the office. That is also in angry mood. Look at his face. And brother is watching from there. And brother is telling his wife from the childhood that we had done the mistake. Whatever he is asking, we are giving. That is the main mistake. We have to correct from the childhood. Now look at him. He is not listening to anyone. The way he went to the office, that is also in empty stomach. He's telling. So she said, you don't get angry and you don't talk also. God is there. God is listening everything. One day, God will definitely help him. One day he will recognize what he is doing. You don't worry about himself. So he said, okay, I am not worrying, let it be. And children, he also went to the office. In the afternoon, Ankush is getting hungry because nothing is there in the stomach. He went to the hotel and he ordered, children, many things. See the waiter, many things he ordered. And waiter is asking, who is coming? Then he said, Who is coming, you are asking? No one is coming. I'm alone. I'm going to eat all the things what I ordered. What I ordered. And no, the waiter is also thinking, oh, so waiter is thinking something else. Then waiter brought all the things whatever he ordered. See, look at the table. Many things are there. What he is doing? Only one piece he is taking. In each plate, one piece he is taking. And he is paid the bill also. Look at it. Paid the bill also. And he is asking, what about the food? What about the other food, remaining food, what to do? He said, I don't want. I'm not going to take to house also. I don't want this. And waiter is also thinking, maybe he's having plenty of money. Because of that only he's doing like this. Because of that only he's doing like this. Let it be. He cleaned the table and whatever the food is remaining now, he put it in the bag. And outside, many poor children are there. Many poor children are there on the street. Many are there. See, there 3 children are there. They are not having a food also. And they are not rich also. They are not having their parents are not having the money also. So what he is doing, waiter? He is taking that food, whatever he wasted, and giving to the poor children. Poor children he is giving. See the face. Look at the face. Look at their face. See, look at his hand. That is whatever he wasted. And he said, one person came and he ordered everything and only one piece he took. And after that, he left and went back. So I brought it to you. The children are very happy at that time. They got the plenty of food. Plenty of food they got. But he said at that time, you don't tell with the manager that I brought the food. If you are going to tell, he's going to remove. Then in the evening, children, he came to the house. So look at the blue one. He came to the house. And while they are taking the dinner in the night, see, also look at his face. Look at his face, the blue one. Look at his face. And again, he's compromising. Because morning, he took one small piece from his plate and he's compromising. See, whatever you had done in the morning, it is entirely wrong. Don't do like this. Don't do like this. I am your brother. Just I took one small piece. Just I wanted to taste it. Because of that only I took. And you have to learn to give somebody else. Poor people are there in this one. He said, that's what Ankush said. Don't tell anything. I know what to do. Who are you to tell me? Who are you to tell me? No need to tell all the things to me. So, Ankush's wife said, see, why you are talking? Why you want to talk with him? Leave him. One day he will only realize his mistake. One day he is going to do, one day he is going to improve. God is going to listen each and everything. God is going to listen everything. You don't tell. She's telling. And they are listening everything. He's also listening everything, whatever she is telling. She keep on telling. Then he also got again angry. See, he stood up again. He don't want to listen all those things because he's having a plenty of money. Brother is giving the money and he is also working. And again said, I don't want to live here. I don't want to stay here. I'm going out, he said. I'm going out. I'm going out and I'm staying. I don't want to stay in this house. And again the brother is telling, no, you don't go. He's going, see. Then again he purchased one sandwich from outside. And after that, he saw over there ice cream. And what he is doing? See, he's throwing whatever the sandwich on the road. See, on the road he's throwing and directly went to buy purchase ice cream. That is also cone ice cream you can see over there. Again he wasted the money. And he is asking, what is the price of the ice cream? And he said something else. And he is giving, see, it is in his hand, ice cream is there. And suddenly, he saw one man is picking that sandwich. The sandwich is in his hand. and he's looking the sandwich, and he said, and he saw that another person, Ankush, the old man, the mother man is there now. One man is there now. He saw the sandwich and he saw the Ankush also. And Ankush is looking at him only. And he is asking, the sandwich is, the sandwich is there. I'm going to share that sandwich. Half piece I'm eating and half piece you take. I'm giving to you. Half piece I'm eating and half piece I'm going to give it to you. So children, Ankush said, hey, you, I only throw in the on the road sandwich, and you are giving to me that also. I don't want. And he said, why you want to pick that one first of all? And he's answering, past 4 days I'm feeling hungry. I had not even drink one coffee or milk also. I don't have a money, so I'm taking this. And he said at that time, Ankush, then after that you are going to share with me from that also? You're going to share in the piece of sandwich to me also? Past 4 days, nothing is there in the stomach. After that also you are sharing? He's asking. And he felt something else at that time. And he said at that time, yes, money is not important for everything. You have to, whatever you are having, you have to learn how to share. And you have to give it to the poor person. And you have to learn some manners from the childhood only. If you are having a money is not important for everything. You have to share whatever you are having. Suppose if your friends are asking something else, you have to give children. You have to give. Then after that, children, he said, whatever he said, he realized his mistake. After that, he completely changed. Then after that, he started to sharing the things also. Children.